What is a spreadsheet, and why would I want to use one? Let's focus on what is a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is to numbers what Microsoft Word or WordPerfect is to words. It's basically a number processor. The spreadsheet allows me to do things with numbers that includes sorting, analyzing, calculating, organizing. Just allows me to put numbers in ways that make sense and then work with them. And not just numbers, spreadsheets have evolved over time to where now they also allow us to work with data and some of the sorting functions and some of the even statistical functions that allow us to dive into data and really use it. As an example, I have a simple budget on the screen, or a simple made-up budget, and in the past, if you wanted to add this up, you would whip out your calculator and you'd be like, let's add these numbers together and see what they come up to. But using a spreadsheet, I can simply click at the bottom of the column, say auto sum, and hit enter, and I now have the total for the whole column, and it happened almost instantaneously. In addition, if I change a number, let's change our phone expense to 60, and watch when I hit enter, my total expenses will automatically update. So the spreadsheet is automatically handling calculations, and whenever I make a change, the rent went up, too bad, $1,200, and now my total expenses are going to adjust automatically because there are formulas in here, and it's almost magical. Spreadsheets can do even more than that, though. As an example, if I wanted to make a quick pie chart, it would not be a problem. I can quickly generate a pie chart of my monthly expenses. We could also create a nice printout. We can analyze them. We could very quickly identify what percentage of my total expense is each of these things. Let me move my chart just a little bit, change that to a percentage. So we could very, very quickly see things like what percent of my total expenses is my phone expense or my rent expense. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is just a really powerful tool used by businesses all over the world to get things done. And that raises the next question, why would I want to use one? And the answer is, if you want to work in business, most office jobs are going to require that you know how to use this tool. And you'll find that this tool will actually make your job and even parts of your home life a lot easier.